Here we are at Formnext to present our new brand ForwardAM. ForwardAM reflects our ambition to drive industrialization of additive manufacturing. So we drive this industrialization by offering end-to-end solutions in material and services along the supply chain. We offer the most extensive material portfolio in the market, with filaments, metal filaments, powders for powder bed fusion, and photopolymers. So in order to support our customers to engage in additive manufacturing, we developed a full range of solutions, which range from design for additive manufacturing, simulations, but also parts printing and testing. Share your projects with us and let's develop together the perfect solution for you.
BASF. We create chemistry.